Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage subscriptions or how to see your subscriptions in PayPal. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we are just going to this documentation of PayPal. And from here, we will learn exactly on how to manage the subscription. So as you can see here, in PayPal application or web app or website, you can manage subscription from the subscription detail page. That means there is a subscription page that you can access so you can check your subscription. And uh, basically, you can simply go uh, to subscriptions. You will need just to log in into your PayPal business or premium account. That means you will already need to have a premium account or PayPal business, not a personal account. After that, you will need just to log in into your account. And then you will need to go to activity. And basically activity, you can find it here on the top in this menu or on the header. And then you will need just to go to activity. And basically in my case, I have only a personal account and those are only my choices. Then on from the transaction drop down, you can just search for subscription agreements. That means here you will find an additional drop down that will be showing, and from there you can go to subscription agreements. And of course, you can use search for transaction or any combination of the drop down. That means the filters. So if you want to add some filters, you can search uh, for subscriptions, and basically here I have only payments, etc. You go and go to the status, choose whatever the status that you are searching for. You will locate your subscription, etc. And of course then you can manage them. You can cancel any subscription, suspend, reactivate, change, or whatever you like, and then you just confirm the changes, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.